So in the previous video, there was leaking going on in the car's engine. I didn't know at that time. It's been some time now, guys. I got the schematics of the Opel Corsa, and now at least I have the basic knowledge on what is going on. So there's a water pipe leaking. In today's video, we're gonna fix that water pipe. So let's get started. Okay, so we're going into the shop.
Let me show you. Look up!
Here's the pipe. Here's the sample. I just brought a sample which was the metal. Because they said we must check the thickness or something.
It's stopping us from moving the car, so I don't know. There's like a huge crack here. It's like a straight line. How much check is it the same? I just have to loosen it, put it up on the other side. Swing can put it in neutral. Anyways,
So I had this really old Pioneer deck that only played with CDs. No USB, no Bluetooth, not even aux cable. I forgot to mention that we also installed sound in the car. But the only downside was it was like raining.
there's your remote here. So apparently I must use this radio system. It is a digital style sound.
It comes with
6x9.
yeah, here's a Bluetooth.
But I have Pioneer 6x9 there.
Don't worry about the speakers. Only the radio.
Oh, only the deck.
Only the radio, no speakers. Come open it for me. Looky, open the gate, bro.
You know how hard is it raining here? No, I don't have insulation.
You know you're buying for it. How much is it?
Before
We're gonna wait.
Yeah, we can wait for it's raining. Like serious outside.
The rain killed the vibe because here and there I could complete a certain portion, and here and there I couldn't complete a certain portion. Yeah guys, I'll do this one off camera, but anyways, I don't know how does 3 hours of footage turn into almost 3 minutes of a video. But thanks for all the support that you guys been showing lately. I really appreciate you guys. Some of you guys give me really useful information. Thank you so much guys. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. I'm out. Peace.